a leader's algebra. The two equations that will allow you to enhance your leadership and work-life harmony, and also that of those on your team and throughout your organization. Now, if you know me, or anybody that knows me, knows that I do not like math, and I particularly did not like algebra. That variable X and Y and Z's always threw me off. However, these two formulas, these two equations, will help you tremendously in your leadership as you move forward. The first equation that I'm going to share with you today is do not add to your dysfunction. That's something as leaders that you and we must be mindful of. Perhaps you're a silo, which means within your organization, you are a team of you and you head up that whole division. That silo is very important because as you go, it goes. Perhaps you're a solopreneur and you're handling everything. And if it's you, that's great. And you can operate within your dysfunction. You can operate like a chicken with their head cut off. Think about the office that you went into, and maybe it's yours, where that person's desk looked like a bomb went off. However, whatever you need, whatever you ask for, they know exactly where it is. It's their organized dysfunction. However, as your team builds, as you grow, and maybe it's voluntary or involuntary, maybe you're transferred and now you're into something new and there's more people than just you. Be mindful not to add people to your dysfunction. As I was a solopreneur and grew, and I wanted to bring in a virtual assistant or employees, it was no longer fair or leadership to bring people into my chaos and my disorganized dysfunction. Fair for me, but not fair for them, because it didn't allow them to be clear with what their job was and what a win was, or how I could reward them for doing great. One of the saddest things is burning out or boring out an inspired and motivated employee. So what to do as you grow, as you add more team members, as you add people to your team so you can evolve your leadership and success? We have to be very clear on the vision. What is your vision? Why are you adding? Because more does not always mean better. More simply means more. So what is your vision? Why are you adding? What do you want to give up? What are you okay with giving up? Too many times through growth and evolution or promotions, we want to stay in the weeds as a leader. That's no longer our job. What do you need to give away? What are you comfortable giving away? Does it match this person's superpower? If so, great. If not, find out what their superpower is. Put them in the right seat so you can succeed. The team can succeed. Therefore, the organization and the vision can succeed. Then get very clear with what their role and responsibility is, allowing them to feel a value and impact with the job they get to do, and also allowing you to know what to reward them for. This is imperative in your leadership and work-life harmony and theirs. So equation number 1, be mindful not to add to your dysfunction. If you like this, you're going to love everything at youevolvingnow.com. It's YOU evolvingnow.com. I look forward to connecting with you and being of value and impact for your organization, for your leaders, your employees, and your teams. Stay tuned next week for equation 2 of a leader's algebra. Until then, enjoy your evolution.